Welcome to Mars Info, Sol 8, 2025. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating aspects of the Red Planet, the mysterious stones of Mars. These Martian stones are not just ordinary rocks. They tell the long and hidden story of how this planet was formed billions of years ago. Many of these stones are made up of basalt, a type of volcanic rock that forms when lava cools quickly. This tells scientists that Mars once had active volcanoes that shaped its surface. In fact, Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, was created by such activity, and the stones around it are a direct clue to that fiery past. But not all Martian stones are volcanic. Some stones found by NASA's rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, show signs of water erosion. These smooth and rounded stones suggest that long ago, rivers and streams once flowed on Mars, carrying and shaping these rocks over millions of years. It's incredible to imagine that a dry and dusty world like Mars was once full of moving water. One of the most interesting discoveries came from Jezero Crater, where scientists found sedimentary stones layered over each other. These layers hold ancient minerals that could contain traces of organic material, the building blocks of life. If that's true, then these Martian stones may hold secrets about whether life ever existed on the Red Planet. Some stones even have strange shapes, like skulls, faces, or even what looks like ancient tools. While most of these are just natural formations caused by erosion, they spark curiosity and keep the mystery of Mars alive. Scientists continue to study these stones using high-tech instruments, scanning their structure and chemical makeup to understand Mars's geological history. Every new discovery brings us closer to knowing how Mars evolved, and maybe even whether humans could one day live there. When NASA's rovers first sent back images of these bright stones, people were surprised. Some of them reflect sunlight in a unique way, making them look like crystals or precious gems scattered across the Martian surface. But what are they really? Let's find out. These glowing stones are believed to be made from silica, iron, and magnesium compounds, elements that can sparkle when hit by sunlight. This means that Mars has gone through intense geological changes, including heat, pressure, and chemical reactions that helped form these beautiful stones over millions of years. Some scientists think these stones were created in ancient hot springs, where mineral-rich water once flowed through cracks in the ground. When the water evaporated, it left behind shiny crystal-like deposits. These stones are a clear sign that Mars once had liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life. Others believe that the brightness of these stones comes from meteor impacts. When asteroids hit the Martian surface with extreme force, they melt the rocks instantly, turning them into glassy materials. These melted rocks, known as impact glass, are found in many places on Mars and can store chemical traces from the planet's past atmosphere. One special stone called the Black Beauty meteorite was actually found on Earth, but it originally came from Mars. This stone is over 2 billion years old and contains minerals that match the Martian surface perfectly. It gives scientists a real sample of Mars to study up close, helping them understand what the planet was like long before humans even existed. Interestingly, rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity continue to find stones that seem to glow under UV light. This glow might be caused by phosphorescent minerals, which can absorb sunlight and slowly release it as a faint shine. It's almost like Mars is keeping a secret light show hidden in its desert of red dust. For space explorers and scientists, each of these stones is a time capsule, holding memories of Mars's volcanic eruptions, floods, and perhaps even the faint signs of life that might have once existed there. Every single stone tells a chapter of the planet's mysterious history. As technology improves and future missions collect samples to bring back to Earth, we may soon discover just how unique these shining stones really are and what they reveal about the story of Mars. As technology improves and future missions collect samples to bring back to Earth, we may soon discover just how unique these shining stones really are and what they reveal about the story of Mars. Future Mars missions, especially the Mars Sample Return Program, aim to bring actual Martian rocks to Earth for detailed laboratory study. These samples could unlock new secrets about the planet's chemical history, its volcanic activity, and even the possibility of ancient microorganisms hidden deep within the stones. Scientists believe that analyzing these stones with Earth's powerful microscopes could reveal tiny fossils or mineral patterns that are impossible to study from afar. Each fragment could provide a clue to how Mars transformed from a warm, watery world into the cold desert we see today. Robotic missions will also use AI-driven tools and drones to scan the Martian surface more deeply than ever before, locating new types of stones buried under dust or ice. One day, human explorers may walk across the red deserts, collecting these mysterious stones with their own hands, marking a new era in space discovery. The day that happens, these glowing Martian stones will no longer just be part of science. They'll become part of human history. The hidden water of Mars. For decades, scientists believed Mars was a dry and lifeless world. But new discoveries have revealed something incredible. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Evidence from NASA's rovers and orbiters shows ancient riverbeds carved into the planet's surface. These dried-up channels tell us that billions of years ago, Mars had a climate warm enough to keep liquid water flowing. Even today, traces of frozen water are locked beneath the Martian soil in polar ice caps. Some regions show signs that salty water might still flow underground. This discovery changes everything, because where there is water, there could once have been life. Future missions like the ExoMars rover and NASA's Sample Return mission are searching for microscopic life signs in these ancient rocks and ice. Scientists hope that by studying these samples, we can finally answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Was Mars ever alive? If water once shaped this red planet, maybe it can again, and one day humans might use it to build a new world far from Earth. Thanks for watching.